Hey, Sarah. What a surprise to see you here.
Hi, John. I know, right? I didn't expect to run into you. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Work has been keeping me on my toes.
Yeah, I totally get that. So, are you here alone?
No, I'm meeting a friend for dinner. What about you?
I'm just grabbing a quick bite before heading back to the home.
Nice. Have you been here before?
Yeah, a couple of times. They have great pasta. You should try it.
Sounds good. I might give it a shot.
Well, enjoy your meal. Let's catch up properly soon.
Definitely. See you around.
See you, take care. Hey, Sarah. Did you decide on what to order?
Yeah, I took your advice and ordered the pasta.
Oh, you won't regret it. Their Alfredo pasta is my favorite.
I hope it's as good as you say. It sounds great. What did you get?
Just a grilled chicken sandwich and an iced coffee.
Nice choice.
Keeping it simple today.
Oh, my friend just texted. She is running late.
Ah, that happens. Well, at least you have some time to relax.
True. So how is everything else? Any fun plans for the weekend?
Not really. Just planning to rest and maybe watch a new movie. What about you?
I might go on a short trip with some friends. Nothing too fancy, just a change of scenery.
That sounds awesome. A break is always nice.
Yeah, I am looking forward to it. Cool. Looks like my order is ready.
Cool. Enjoy your meal, and let's catch up properly soon.
Absolutely. Let's plan something soon.
See you, Sarah. Have a great lunch.